Ahoy sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
Setting sail on a princess cruise is the beginning of a luxurious adventure on the high seas. However, not everything aboard comes with a royal seal of approval. Today, we'll navigate through some purchases that might send your hard-earned dollars overboard. Stepping into a princess cruise is like entering a floating vineyard where spirits soar as high as the drink prices. The onboard drink packages might whisper sweet nothings about savings, but with a starting price of $64.99 per person per day, plus gratuity, you could end up bankrolling a celebrity's champagne wishes. And don't get lured by the siren song of duty-free bottles. They hold them hostage till the last day, making you a spectator of your own purchase. The moral of the story: stick to the ship's bar for your nightly tipple, or better yet, toast to your savvy savings with local spirits when you hit dry land. Speaking of savings, have you ever tried preserving your skin from the sun without sunscreen? You forgot sunscreen, and now the ship's store prices have you feeling the burn. The markup on personal care items on board is so steep, you think they were sourced from the fountain of youth. And if you think paying double for a tube of toothpaste is bad, wait until you see the price of a razor. It's better to wait until the next port, or, better yet, pack everything you'll need from home. And speaking of things you don't want to overpay for, step right up to the high sea's most dubious spectacle, the cruise ship art auction. It's like a game show where everyone loses except the house. These floating galleries have become infamous for their scandalous reputation, often involving forged artworks and inflated list prices. Think of it as a pirate's treasure map, where X marks the spot of your vanishing wallet. And let's talk about the ambience. They lure you in with free champagne, convincing you that the scribbles on canvas are lost masterpieces. It's like mistaking your nephew's fridge art for a Picasso. In one dramatic turn of events, an American teacher was even kicked off a holiday cruise for daring to warn fellow passengers about the onboard auction. The climax of this art charade: a woman once paid $20,000 for what she thought were high-value Salvador Dali pieces. But when they arrived, let's just say they were more dilly-dally than Dali. So, unless you fancy paying for a Monet and getting a Monat, steer clear of these auctions. Instead, save that dough for authentic, affordable souvenirs, a shore that won't require a second mortgage or a leap of faith. From art that's more faux than Vincent van Gogh, let's focus our lens on another potential pitfall: the onboard electronics boutique. Got a sudden urge to capture the sea breeze in pixels but forgot your camera? Buying one onboard might seem convenient, but it's like snapping a blurry photo. Disappointing. The prices are sky high, and the hassle of returns and warranties might just have you going overboard with frustration. Hold off until you dock at the next port or snag that deal online before you set sail. That way, your memories are crystal clear and your wallet isn't left feeling overexposed. Avoid these money traps and ensure your cruise remains royally remarkable without the royal price tag. Sail smart, save big, and ensure your cruise memories are priceless, not pricey.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.